Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. You know, one of my most watched videos, which is surprising really, is about this Riot dust collector. And I bought this whole setup from Rockler, and I thought I would do a 6-month, it's been about 6 months, and I would do an update on it. I've never, I think I've cleaned it like one time in those 6 months. And right now you can see I've got some sawdust on the bottom, just a little bit, on the bottom of this bag. And the only reason that's there is there was a couple times where I forgot to empty out my, my Cyclone. And the Cyclone grabs most of it, which is really nice because it kind of keeps the filter clean. But you can see now, I did this one time in the beginning, like the first couple weeks. I've never done it since. So right now we're going to see how dirty it is after 6 months. So this is the first time I'm cleaning it after about 6 months of use. And it has a self-cleaning rod. Looks like that's about all it took. So the self-cleaning thing works really good. I should do that probably a little more often. But after 6 months, I still use this thing all the time. I mean, I probably use it at least once a day. And one thing you got to know is it's made for sawdust. It's not made to pick up nuts and bolts. It doesn't really have the power to do that, but it's more volume. So it works really good with chop saws, sanders, bandsaw, table saw, planer, sander. It's made for sawdust. So if you think it's going to pick up a nut or bolt off the floor, it won't do it. So the only problem I ever had with this thing is when I first got it, the small tool for doing around your small stuff, this top brush broke out. But Rockler was really good. They sent me another one. And so I have to say that I'm really pleased with it. It's, I don't think you could have I mean, obviously we've all used shop vacs and stuff, and I still use shop vacs for other things, but I think this is a really good addition to any small shop, and 6 months later I'm still happy with it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Later.